Hello everyone, Jeb from Jeb's Project. Now let's see what we have on the bench today. Now on the bench today we have a Sinadder S101. It was a silent keys unit. Didn't know if it worked or not. So we took and got her cleaned up. Had a bunch of tape here. Had some stickers in there. Had some stickers up in here. And cleaned it up a bit. It's had some stickers up here as well. Someone wrote on it with a permanent marker. I've tried taking it off and it's just plain permanently there. And on the back it had some anti-tamper stickers here and here. This one here, let me see if I can get it up there and get it to focus in. As you can see, model S101, serial number 7411. I have no idea how many of these were made, but it's been modified. BNC connector put in the sign. That goes to the input lead point on the back of the board. They had it soldered on the back of the board, so it could be used for either one, or as an input, or you could use the wire for input. Up here on top it has the 2 posts to read the voltage to the meter, and which is nice. That I'll use. The meter is in really nice shape, so I'm hoping, and it's sitting there at the 0 line, which is really nice. You don't have to play with the adjustment, it's right there. So we'll once we get the board fixed, and we'll get her back into it, and we'll go from there. We'll do some adjustments. Okay, here we got the board out of the Sinadder S101. Went ahead and pulled the ends of these caps to give them a test. Let's go ahead and hook one up here and see what we've got. Okay, it's reading a 138.2 microfarad, and at 0.12 ESR. The ESR seems to be fine. It's the 138.2. That's almost 40% out of tolerance. That's a lot. That's just too much. So I went ahead and ordered 3 100 microfarad 25 volt, 4 1 microfarad 35 volt, 2 22 microfarad 25 volt, and a 2.2 microfarad 35 volt. Just going to replace all the capacitors. It's an older unit, so might as well just go ahead and replace the caps and be done with it. The diodes all check good. The resistors of what I could check in circuit seem to be just fine. The ICs, I imagine they're just fine. But once we get the caps and get them in. Okay, we have a pile of capacitors here. 2.2 microfarad. Oh, there goes my phone. And which one is this one? This is the 1 microfarad 50 volt, and 22 microfarad. So it looks like, let's see here, that's the 22, that's the 2.2, and that's the 1. This one must be the 100. Yep. So we'll pull them out of the package and get ready to start soldering them on the board. Well, got all the caps replaced, so now we'll put it back in the case, plug it in, turn it on, see if it works. And if it works, then we'll go on to calibrate it. Okay, we've got our audio source set to 2 kilohertz at 1 volt RMS. Let's turn it on here. And I don't even have the audio source hooked up yet. It's all the way to the right. Let me hook the audio source up. Okay, R45 is definitely adjusting it. Okay, right there. It's set to the right. Oh, and here. Okay, that's with my 2 kilohertz tone hooked up with the at 1 volt RMS. Alright, let's take a look now at what the instructions say from that point. Yeah. Okay. Center to lead at to 1 kilohertz, and the source must be within 1 hertz. Okay. Now I need to adjust the source for 1 volt RMS. But the Sinadder meter should indicate it should go to the black portion at the left side of the scale. If not, adjust R32 and 33 for minimum. Okay, so we need to drop to 1 kilohertz. So let's go to frequency and drop it to 1. And done. Okay. But I didn't manage to get her to adjust it. Trying to adjust the 2 for the minimum. The yeah, 32 and 33 to get the minimum reading on the meter. And that's at 1 volt at 1 kilohertz. So we've got our 1 volt at 1 kilohertz, and raise it to 2 kilohertz. We're all the way over on the other side. Now it's still at 1 volt. So we should have her. There's 1 kilohertz all the way over. Alright, that should do it. Now to test it. Okay, let's turn the volume up on the radio. Okay, now we'll go ahead and turn the generator on. I'm set at 14.200, and on the radio I'm at 14.201, because I'm also on lower sideband. So we're at a minus 123.9 dB. Let's bring her up to about 12, right there, at minus 111.4. So it seems to be doing the job. Okay, we'll catch you in the next one, and please like and subscribe. Would appreciate it. Trying to reach 500 subscribers. I don't make any money at this, and YouTube won't monetize until I reach 500 subscribers. So please subscribe and like the videos and comment. And if you see I did something wrong, don't be afraid to let me know. Alright, you have yourself a great day. We'll catch you in the next one.